Hi everyone, welcome back to another dashboard tutorial. This is a glimpse of what we're going to prepare today. We're going to use pivots as well as we're going to learn how we can make different charts and combine them to make an Excel dashboard. So let us look at the data first. This is the data that we're going to use to prepare our dashboard. It has order ID, order date, shipping mode, and customer information, as well as the region, product details, product categories, and sales quantity, discount, and profit numbers. So first thing we're going to do is to create pivot tables that we're going to later use to create our charts. So I'm going to select data, go to insert, pivot tables, and click the first option from table range and click OK. So we're going to prepare different pivot tables. So the first one is profit by segment. So I need segment in rows and profit as values. I'll correct the formatting by selecting the values and I'll rename the heading. I'll copy this table and I'll remove this segment and replace it with category. I'll sort this largest to smallest and I'll also rename it from segment to category. I'll copy this table again and this time I will replace category with region. I'll sort the values largest to smallest and I'll rename this to region. Again, I'm going to copy this and this time I'll replace region with customer. Okay. So since we only need our top 5 customer, therefore first I will sort this largest to smallest and then I'll click on this button and I'll go to value filters and we'll select top 10, and since we need top 5, so I'll select 5 from here and click OK. So these are our top 5 values. I'll correct the heading. Since we do not need grand totals, so we can simply remove them by right clicking and remove grand total. So I'll do this for all the tables. Okay, so we need few more pivot tables. So I'll copy this one and I'll paste it over here and I'll replace segment with city, and with profit I also need sales values. So we have profit as well as sales. So I'll sort sales values largest to smallest, and we need top 6 values, top 6 cities only, so therefore I'll go to value filters and I'll select top 6 with respect to sum of sales. Okay, this is done. Now I'll copy this table again and also correct the heading. I'll remove city and we need the shipping mode. Again, I'll sort the sales value by largest to smallest. Copy this table again. We do not need sales value for this table. Shipping mode will be replaced by product name. And I'll sort this largest to smallest, and we need top 5 values only. Therefore, I'll go to value filters and I'll select top 5. And we'll also update the heading. And one more pivot table. I'll copy this and I will replace product with subcategory. I'll sort this again largest to smallest, and we need top 6 values. So now we need sum of total sales, profit, and quantity. So therefore, we'll pull the values over here. I'll use simple sum formula for this. Sum of sales sum of profit sum of quantity and number of orders. We need count for that, so therefore I'll be using count A formula. So what count A does is that it calculates the count of values that are not blank. So since this is also counting the heading value, therefore I will minus this with 1. And I'll rename this sheet as working. So our working is almost done. Next thing is to create a dashboard layout. So the first thing is that we're going to display our KPIs over here, and I have a few icons already saved. So I will copy them and place them over here. Next, I'll go to insert, and we want to draw shape. I'll remove the background color and change the outline color to green. Next, I'll display the total sales values. I'll make it bold and increase the text size. I will also change the text color. Control D to make a duplicate copy. Next, we're going to work on different charts that we will be displaying in our dashboard. So I'll go to working sheet. I'll select the first table, go to insert, and we'll draw a pie chart, donut chart. We'll remove this button as well as the legends. I'll correct the heading name to segment. So we need two more donut charts. So I'll go to the second table, and then I'll go to insert and draw a donut chart. I'll again get rid of these buttons as well as the legends, and I'll correct the heading. The last donut chart is for the region. So we'll repeat the steps. Now I will move these charts to the dashboard. I'll Control X and paste them over here. Next, we will do some formatting with these charts. I'll remove the backgrounds as well as the outlines. And we will change the colors of the chart titles. We'll make it bold and we'll color it as green. And we will also change the color of charts so that these are aligned with our dashboard theme. Now these charts are ready, so we will go ahead and make few more charts. So the first chart is for more, so I will select the table and I'll go to insert, and we will draw our R2D bar chart. I'll get rid of these buttons as well as the legends, and we want to display chart title. And we'll remove these lines as well. We'll Control X, go to dashboard and paste it over here. So I will remove the background as well as the outline. We'll change the chart title color. We'll make this bold and color it white. And we will also change the chart colors. So I'll select the orange bars first, shape fill, and we'll make outlines as white. Now I'll select blue bars, and we'll select red color and also change the bars. I'll go back to working and I'll color it yellow so that I know this part is already done. Next, I'll select the customers table and I'll go to insert, and this time we will create a funnel chart. And since we cannot use pivot tables to create a funnel chart, therefore I'll copy and paste these values. Let me correct the formatting. I'll go to insert again and we'll select a funnel chart. I'll rename the chart title. We'll Control X and we'll paste it to our dashboard. Again, we'll do some formatting with the charts. I'll remove the background color as well as the outline. We'll change the heading. We'll make this bold and color it white. And we'll also change the chart color. This one looks better. Let's change the color to white. Okay, let's move back to our working, and this one is also done. Next, we need a profit and sales by city, so I'll select this table and I'll go to insert, again recommended chart, and this time we need a column chart. I'll remove the buttons as well as the legends and these lines. We need chart title. I'll Control X and we'll bring it to the dashboard. Again, we'll do the formatting. We'll remove the background as well as we'll change the colors. Let's also change the bar color so that these are aligned with our dashboard theme. Looks much better now. So this one is also done. And the next one is profit by category. We'll copy this. I'll correct the formatting. Go to insert, recommended chart. And for this we need box and whisker. I'll remove these lines. And I'll change the chart title. Control X. Let's do the exercise again of formatting the chart. Let's also change the color to green and also increase the width a bit. Looks much better now. Let's go back to working. I just realized that we forgot to make one pivot table, so not a problem. We'll go ahead and quickly make it. I'll copy this one. And we need state instead of subcategory. State. Okay, this is done. We'll sort this largest to smallest. And we only need the top 5 states. Okay. This is now ready. So I'll go to insert. And this time we'll create a tree map chart. And for that we need to convert the pivot to values. Select the data, go to insert and tree map. Profit by state. Let's get rid of the legends. Control X. Come back to our dashboard. And let's do the formatting again. This is done, and our last chart is going to be region, and then this time we're going to prepare a line chart. Control X again. Let's also change the color of the line. And make it a bit thick. Let's also show legends, sorry, data labels. And this is it. Our dashboard is ready. One last thing is to update the dashboard title. Let's change the color to green. Let's also change the font. Okay. Looks like our dashboard is ready. I hope you like this. And if you want more of these videos and tutorials, keep following. Thank you.